While doing a repair on a friend's kitchen sink, I had to shut off the water from under the cabinet. But the water supply valve started leaking right after I opened it back up. It started dripping from just behind the knob. Obviously, you don't want any water problems like this. But in this short video, I'll show you how a simple adjustment can help stop a leaky shutoff valve. Sometimes this nut can get loose and allows water to seep through the connection. So tightening this part can help seal off the leak. I'll need to place a wrench on the back or body of the valve and then another wrench on the packing nut itself. Now use the first wrench to hold the main part of the shutoff valve in place. Don't let this part rotate. Then use the second wrench at the front and tighten the nut until the drip stops. Just a really tiny turn can help stop the drip, so don't go crazy here. You may not even notice it rotating. Tightening the packing nut was what stopped the leak for me. But if this doesn't work for you, then the shutoff valve is going to have to be replaced. But definitely try this solution first before calling a plumber. It may be all you need. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.